TRSC Federation from Municipality of Tologolo. And the RSC Federation from Municipality of Surana. And RSC Federation from Municipality of Bangor. The RSC Federation from Municipality of Santo Niño. And the Federation, the Municipality of Dipoli. Kahit ang layo dumating. And the RSC Federation of the Municipality of Lake Cebu. Maraming salamat for your energy. This time, I would like to turn over the microphone for the introduction of the Board of Judges and reading of contest guidelines, mechanics, and criteria. And of course, the RSC Federation of Norala! Ayun, pasensya kasi nararush ako sa likod. So this time for the introduction of the Board of Judges, reading of contest guidelines, mechanics, and criteria. May request, Sir Vic.
Dire. Excuse kami, alay, ma'am, sir, ma'am. Ilang kami kadali. Sabi ko, dire kami ka-excuse. Kadali lang. Dire. Kaya kung magulang karon dati.
And for this afternoon, we're here. Hindi lang makita natin kung paano nag-stand the South Cotabato, but of course, to showcase what is unique in South Cotabato. For this afternoon, we have two sets of competition to which our contenders will showcase their talents when it comes po sa iba't ibang larangan ng scene. And for this afternoon, this competition will not be completed without the presence of our first judge, of course, a graduate of Bachelor Secondary Education, major in Physical Education, an educator by profession, a performer, an artist, a choreographer. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to our first judge, Mr. Jasmine Pinitan. And our second judge, an artist, educator, and choreographer. Give a round of applause to Vivian Bukon.
Ano na sila,
And to complete the composition of our selection panel, a graduate of Bachelor Secondary Education, major in English, and at the same time, of course, currently working in the Department of Education, and artist choreographer. So, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to Mr. Rodel X. Tubay. And to give you this inspiration for the very first time with this gathering thousands of people here in the province of South Cotabato, we are just proving, of course, na dito po sa bahagi ng Mindanao, na dito po sa bahagi ng Pilipinas, ay meron nakakaisang mga tao para po sa isang tama at maayos na paligiran. I'm referring us, of course, to the RSC aspiration, and for this afternoon, para magiging patuloy po yung ating papakita kung ano po yung RSP. For the very first time, magkaroon po tayo ng tinatawag na jingle presentation or jingle competition. And this is now the mechanics. So this competition is open to all 11 organizations composed of RSP Confederation of South Cotabato. And for this afternoon, its competing team must be composed of 6 to 10 performers and must be legitimate members of RSP organization of the place they are representing. So its competing team is given the 3 to 5 minutes duration to present their piece of entry, and they are given the full liberty in terms of costume, props, and interpretation. Each competing team is required to submit a hard copy of the lyrics as judge's reference, since it is a must that the composition is original. Each competing team must incorporate into the pinaka sa ating competition. To the composition, the following lines, and this must be visible.
Nag-plaster yun ka mo daw sa sala ba?
The first one, South Cotabato ang nagkas sa lahat.
Agoy, mapungkok kita!
para sa tama
Uy,
kaayong
kainit man.
Third,
Ko.
sa RSD, abot kamay ka. Fourth, dahil sa RSD, nakakaisa tayo. And lastly, nang dahil sa RSD, nagtutulungan tayo. Yung mga nasamit ko na lines, dapat maririnig ko yun sa kanilang jingle na i-compose. So the winning piece for this competition will become the official jingle of the organization. And the decision of the members of our Board of Judges is final and irrevocable. And for your knowing, our selection panel will rate our contenders based on the following criteria.